guys, welcome to Jeff Tech, and today it is kind of a special show because I am setting up what type of equipment to purchase so that you can do your live streaming. So this one is provincially for ministries and churches. I have a lot of people say, hey, can you help us out? Where do we get started? How do we get started? What do we buy? What do we purchase? What's good? So I put together a small package of things that you would need that keep you very, very inexpensive, but yet still will give you some level of quality. So, you know, smartphones are great, iPads are great, depending on which one you have, which cameras that's in them, but you don't have any control with Zoom. And, you know, we see a lot of those right now on Facebook. But for those that want to stream, there's a few things that I got for you in this package. So we're going to be talking about three major components. The first thing is having your camera. Now, if you already have a camera, yes, you can tie it into this system that we're talking about. But for those that don't have a camera, today we're unboxing this. It's fairly inexpensive, under $150. And let's just get started in it. Open it up right here. Comes with a manual. Now, when you get this, it's going to have the external microphone. This is, you know, nice to have if you're doing podcasts, but if you're doing your, of course, church service, this is not going to be adequate. It's going to give you terrible sound, trust me. It's a nice little small unit. It has its own built-in Wi-Fi, and it's got some great features on it for the price. It's fairly inexpensive, and it comes with its own case, extra battery. Okay, so now that we've unboxed it, we've checked out some of the features and all the stuff that it has to offer. Let me set this off to the side. Let's show you how to get it set up. So setting up a live stream, first thing you're going to need is internet. So let's talk about that real quick. Internet speed is a big part of having quality audio and video. It's simple math to realize that if you have 5 megs of upload bandwidth, your stream bit rate should be less than 5 megabytes. Listen, how much? At least by 1.5. Be sure to always have some extra bandwidth available to ensure you always have enough bandwidth for streaming your broadcast, plus your graphics. For example, if you have a live stream that has a bit rate, let's say of 5 megabytes, then you need to make sure you have at least 7.5 megs total upload bandwidth available to ensure a reliable stream. The quality of your broadcast is dependent upon having good internet service. Now, you're going to need a computer, and you're going to need either a laptop or a computer, and you're going to need a computer that's going to at least be a i5 or i7 processor. It's going to have to be fast enough to do video and have a decent video graphics card in it. Well, I'm going to tell you exactly all the specifications. I'm going to put it up on the screen for you. These are the basic computers that you can use. What you'll need, though, for your setup is you'll need, as we talked earlier about getting the appropriate cord, this is going to allow you to come out of your camera. Of course, you'll be placing your camera on a tripod, and you want to have a tripod shoe for whichever tripod you purchase. One of the great things about this is it does have the universal, so that just about any tripod that you buy on the market that is consumer grade, you will be able to utilize putting this in. So we call this in the industry, it's called a shoe. You put that on the tripod, you set it on your tripod, you open up, you're ready to go. And now we get into the components. So hooking it up to do your live stream, when you hook up to do your live stream, all you're going to have to do is put it in your USB slot, and you place this into your USB slot. And if you're having issues with it, please, whatever you do, don't force it. If you force it, you're going to have problems. One of the other things that I want to tell you is make sure that your cord is loose and you give yourself just a little bit. I recommend 3 inches. It makes a difference. A lot of people get cords and they're pulling on that cord, and then they're shorting out and having all kind of problems with it. You want to have at least 3 inches worth of play in your setup. Okay? So that's one end. The other end, you're going to take the USB, plug the USB into your laptop. Now, once you've done that, your laptop is on, you're going to open up the program OBS. You can go to OBS Studio and download that software, and it's going to work great for you. Now let's get into how the software works. Choosing the right camcorder could be very, very difficult, with prices ranging from $99 to $9,000. This was primarily to start you out and get you in a system under $300 or $500. The video camcorder that we've chose is one that is minimal in price and still gives good quality. As we're already started the unboxing, this is where you can get it on Amazon.com, and it works pretty good for the price for you to be able to do a live stream and still have some measure of quality. Now, it's not the best and it's not pro gear by any means, but it is better than using your cell phone or pad because you can zoom in, white balance, and it has several other options. Next on the list is a tripod. I recommend that you get one with a floating head or one that moves smoothly. This is very important that you have a stable tripod for your camera. Now let's talk about encoding software. And what we have and what we recommend for you is OBS Studio. It's free, it's open broadcast software, and it makes it very, very nice platform for streaming and recording your program. Same. Now that we looked at everything that we have to purchase, let's look at going over how it's set up. The setup is simple. You just have three major components: your camera, your mic, your mixer, going into your computer, into your OBS Live Studio, and then out to your Facebook Live. Now, it can be a little bit complex, so I've had a friend of mine do just a little bit of detailed explaining so that you can be sure that you're getting your streaming key so that you can stream out live. Hey guys, I hope this information has helped you out and at least gives you some idea of where to start so that you can start streaming and get a better quality. And I want to thank you for checking out Jeff Tech, and hopefully this channel out there are helping you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.